Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a celebrity recreation look. You guys know the Met Gala just happened in New York City, and the makeup and the outfits and the fashion was just unbelievable. So inspiring. I had seen Lily Collins' makeup on the carpet. It was out of this world, beautiful, glamorous, a little retro. I just loved it. So I had to recreate it today. This is obviously the look. I'll do a little screenshot here so you guys can see the look that we are recreating. Isn't it gorgeous? I love those purple eyes. I love the really pale skin and the beauty marks on her face, and the blush I just adore. It is gorgeous. So this is my interpretation. I did the best that I could with the products that I have at home. A lot of it actually is all older products. I didn't really use anything new in this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I've already done my foundation and my base. I didn't use anything new, so I figured I'd just go ahead and do that. For foundation, I have the IT Cosmetics Light Nude foundation on. Well, it's the Confidence foundation in the shade Light Nude. Lily Collins in this photo is extremely pale, so I decided to just use the lightest foundation that I have. And now for the eyes, we're going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics purple palette. I never used this palette. I honestly haven't looked at it probably since I bought it. And when I opened it up today, I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. I should use this palette way more. Alright, so let me zoom you beautiful bitches in. We'll get into it. Now, what I love about this look that Lily Collins is wearing is that though everything is so beautiful and like really over the top, it's actually extremely simple. It's really just purple eyeshadow all over the lid and then some intense liner and lashes. Now, the only lavender in this palette is almost more of like a lilac lavender. It's a little more milky than what we're going for. So I'm actually going to lay down this purple as the base, and then we'll kind of soften it and brighten it with this shadow here. I don't want this purple to be too bold to where we can't get it back to a lavender shade, so I'm just using a fluffy blending brush for this. This is the Sigma E40 blending brush. You guys would not believe how hard of a time I had this morning trying to find the perfect lavender shadow for this look so that I could just use one shade. I could not find one in any of my eyeshadow palettes. I found it in a few old Morphe palettes, but I mean like old, like the original Morphe palettes that they don't make anymore, so I didn't want to use that. And when I was looking, I first was looking for my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette because I was like, oh duh, it's definitely going to be in the Norvina palette. But no, do I have that on me? I don't know where. Oh, here it is. I could have sworn up and down, left and right that the Norvina palette had a lavender, but it's almost more of like a periwinkle denim color. Also, a lot of the lavenders I was finding in my palettes were all shimmers, and it does appear to be that hers is more matte. So I'm just dusting this all over my lid. For my base, I just have my foundation and some setting powder. I was going to use an actual like eyeshadow base, like my favorite Sigma sticks, but I was a little worried about using those because they make shadows so bold, and I knew I was going to be mixing colors. I didn't want this first layer of purple to be like so purple that we couldn't come back from it. So that's why I decided to just stick with foundation and then setting powder on my eyelid. And hers, I'm pretty sure, actually goes, yeah, like all the way to the brow bone, which is super fun. What was your guys' favorite Met Gala looks? I love Haley Steinfeld's makeup as well. That was really fun. It's so fun seeing everyone in their cool outfits. Like, couldn't you just dream about going to one of those events? Me and my friends were all texting while watching it last night, and I was like, could you imagine like this being your life? Like, I always feel like such a little girl when I watch the Met Gala because I'm like, wow, like, could you imagine that being your life? How magical. I'm just in awe every freaking year. What an amazing event, and I love seeing all of the fashion. I love it so much. It's so inspiring. I have a whole like camera roll full of looks that really inspired me, and not even just makeup, but people's outfits, the color, you know, combinations and things like that. I was really just going nuts over it. This is a pretty little purple, isn't it? I tried to get her hair too, but my hair is just like not cooperating today. I don't want to go too dark with this purple because again, I'm afraid we can't come back from it. So now I'm going to take the same E40 blending brush. This is just from one of their other collections. This is why it has the pink handle. And we're going to pop into that more lavender color. Oh, whoa, highly pigmented, Kylie. See if mixing those kind of gets us to where we want to go. I don't know that it'll be exactly like hers, which I'll be super bummed out about, but it's still fun. It's an interpretation of it, okay? Have you guys tried these? This Spindrift sparkling water. This is the best thing if you like sparkling water, because I know it's kind of like a yeah or nay type of situation. A lot of people don't care for sparkling water, but it's like my favorite. Anyway, I got these at Target. This is the lemon one, and oh my god, it is so good. My qualm with sparkling water, specifically lemon sparkling water, because I love lemon water, but I always seem to be tossing out my lemons because I just don't go through them quick enough. I don't even know why I'm buying so many lemons, but like, you know, I don't want to go to the store every day for a damn lemon. So, you know, I'm always trying to find drinks that are lemony. And I noticed so many companies do more of like a sweet lemon and not necessarily like a tart lemon. Like I want a pucker, okay? I want to feel the lemon. So I was like, let me give these a shot because I still have yet to find like a tart, puckery, lemony drink. And this is so puckery. It's amazing. It's actually like, I think they said there's one actual fresh squeezed lemon in here. Only 3 calories, super awesome. And I'm addicted. I just got them this weekend and I went through the whole case and I want to go back and get some tonight because I love them. This is a lovely lavender. Is it anything like hers though? It's not. Hers has just like another oomph of something in there. It's such a true pastel, almost pinky lavender. Oh. I almost feel like if I run a little bit of amethyst in here, this is, I'm sorry, I wasn't even showing you. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I feel like her lavender actually has like this amethyst tone in there. So, oh, now I'm getting real nervous. Now I'm just going nutso. I'm gonna try and just layer this on top. I might have to do another layer of that other lavender to tone it down a bit if it gets a little too, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. I think this is actually making it a lot better, a lot closer to what we're going for. So just blending this all over what we've already laid down. Mine was almost getting a little too blue. Oh yes, we're getting much closer. Don't you just as much wish that along with all the amazing outfits we see, we could see their like getting ready process, what products they used? I'd love to see what makeup artists did the makeup. I'm sure if I did a little search, I could find it easily, but I would love if that was like a separate show, like getting ready for the Met Gala. I think that would be really cool. This is actually a lot closer to what we needed. I'm apprehensive, but I think I want to do one more layer of this lavender over top to bring back some of that pastel. Gosh, this lavender is extremely pigmented. Speaking of Kylie, let's talk about her Met Gala look if you guys watched. It was nice, but I was a little let down by Kylie this year. I feel like she really turns it out. And I was so sad we didn't see Beyonce. I was sad we didn't see Taylor Swift. I was sad we didn't see Rihanna, but I did expect a little more for Kylie. I think this is exactly what we needed. I think that is really, really good. I'm so excited to finish this video because after I finish this video, I finally get to do my Sephora VIB haul. It's just sitting in a box right next to me and I haven't even opened it. I just want to get into it already. Now we're going to take the light lavender in the Kylie Cosmetics palette one more time because Lily has a really bright inner corner and it's matte, and I think that this would hopefully look nice. Luca is like ready to tear down my door, but he's being really naughty today. I can't let him in. Do you hear that? He's just trying to open the door. He's a psychopath. I told you, I hate doing this, you guys. I hate it. I wish I could let him in, but he just gets wild. It has a lot to do with his separation anxiety. We've talked to the vet about it. She said the best way to handle it is to just not give in to him when he's throwing these tantrums and when he wants in, because realistically there's no reason that he needs to be in here when I'm working. He has to understand, you know, there's certain times where we can't coddle him. It was our fault. We've coddled him since he was a baby and now he acts like a baby. So next for liner, Lily has a really bold cat eye going on here that goes all the way to the inner corner. So I think I want to first start with liquid liner to get my shape right, and then hers is so matte black. I'm pretty sure it's probably a gel or a cream matte black liner, so I'm gonna top it over with that. But right now let's just get our shape. I tried to do my hair all big like hers and it's falling out. It's a mess. Not my hair's not falling out, but the tees, whatever. Okay, so I always am so scared to do these inner corner liners. Oh, I didn't even tell you, this is my Beauty Bakery Lollipop liner. No, it's drying out, so it's getting so bad. That's just obviously a very, very rough draft for what we're going to do. It's drying out. I'm like, no liquid liner right now. It's so annoying. Now I'm going to take my Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Liner and just go over that wing that we did. Ugh, I feel like I can't get my wings right. Now I'm ruining the inner corner. Damn it! Well, I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. So on the waterline, we need a white eyeliner. I'm going to take ColourPop's white eyeliner and tightline with this. And then on her lower lash line, she still has this like black going underneath. It's like very, what's the word I'm looking for? Reminds me of like Twiggy makeup like back in the day. I guess very like retro, I would say almost. I love it though. It's really cool. So I'm going to do that thick black line connecting from our top wing down. And hers doesn't go all the way in. It looks like it stops about halfway, or not halfway, closer to the inner corner. Ooh! This is different. Wowza. This is crazy. Crazy fun. So I'm gonna throw on my mascara and my lashes. I'll come back to show you guys what I used and we will move on with the rest of the face. Okay, mascara is done. I did it a little clumpy on the lower lash because Lily's is a little clumpy. It's very, very thick. It's cool. I love it. And my lashes are by Bold Face Lashes. These are in the style Muse. They are bold, honey. I've been waiting for an excuse to wear lashes this big. I normally don't go so crazy, but they're super fun. So let's work on face. It looks like Lily has a very faint contour, no bronze. It's all very just muted and cool toned and just subtle, which is, you know, not my fortois. Is fortois, what is a fortois? It's not my, what the fuck is the word that I'm looking for? Jeez. It's not my strong point. That'll do. That word sounds familiar. So I'm taking my KKW Beauty Contour Powder in the shade number 2. Okay, lightly, Shay, lightly. Come on, you got this, girl. You got this. Like that. Like literally only a little bit more because I'm a psycho. This is my Soft Angled Contour F23 brush from Sigma. It's the one that comes in my brush set. That's all I'll do. Okay, come on, Shay. You got this. And like, it doesn't look like she has forehead bronzer. Such a bummer. You know I love my forehead bronzer. I mean, I suppose just a touch wouldn't hurt. Just a little pecking. A dusting. Gosh, what are my words today? I need to go read a dictionary. She does have a slight nose contour. For blush, I haven't used this one in forever, but I think it's gonna be perfect. She has this beautiful pop of pink, like baby doll pink. This is Benefit Cosmetics Hervana blush. So I'm gonna take some of that. Oh yeah, that's like the perfect baby doll pink. This is my Sigma F40 contour brush. And it is, you know, a decent amount of blush. It's blended beautifully, but it's definitely like that doll look where it's just popped right on the cheeks. Now, she has these really cute little beauty marks dotted onto the face, the little black marks. So we're gonna do that with liquid eyeliner. Actually, maybe I should do my highlighter first because she looks like she has a little glow. So yeah, we will do that. I'm gonna take the ColourPop Innuendo palette. Going to this first one be okay? Yeah, that'll do because hers is really, really like fair. Right onto the nose and the cheekbones. Oh, this is such a great highlighter palette. I do not use it enough. Actually, that's not true. I use it a lot, but then, you know, you get into those habits where you just use the same thing for like weeks, and lately, all I've been using is the Amrezi highlighter. I need to take a break from that. So maybe I'll try to just go back to using this palette for a bit. Oh, it is gorgeous though, isn't it? Now I'm gonna set my face really quickly with the Smashbox Primer Water. Okay, so now let's work on the beauty marks. Taking my liquid eyeliner again, I'm just looking to see where they are. So there's one under her, like, outer corner of her eye, like right here. And then one on the chin, and then one about here. Cute! That's different. So for the lips, it is a, like, frosty pink. And I don't know that I have anything that pink. I got Blankety, which is still too much pigment. This is such a light lip color. I found my Pretty Please lipstick by MAC. I've had this for so long. Like, look at it. It is like donezo. So I need, gosh, I never can find my lip brushes. I swear, I always buy them, and they're always so small. I can never find them. Oh, I'm gonna actually dig it out with like a bobby pin. We're about to get real weird up in here. I think this is like the perfect, like barely there lip pinky color. Gosh, I haven't worn this in ages. I think that's like perfect. I'm so proud of myself. I can't believe I found one. And then for gloss, I'm gonna use, oh gosh, I hate when it's like a light gloss and they write in white, but this is by Revlon. It's in the shade Sky Pink. That's it for this look, you guys. I think we pretty much nailed it. I'm like super stoked. I think it looks pretty good. It's of course like not exactly like Lily's, and I wish I had a better shade of purple on the eyes, but I think you get the effect. So this was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I need to do more celebrity recreations because those are just always so much fun to do, and I know you guys really enjoy them too. So thank you for watching today. If you want a list of products, check the bottom box down below. They will all be linked for you guys there. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!